Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mr. Rudy Haryono SSMPD as the lecturer in academic reading course. Here, I want to explain about inserting a local culture in English language teaching to promote character education. The background is education may be regarded as an investment in human capital formation that lay the foundation for future economic growth and development of a country, not to mention our country Indonesia. National education mean education based on Pancasila and the 1945 Constitution and is rooted in the religion's values, national cultures of Indonesia in one that is responsive to the need of the ever-changing era. Literature review. The common practice of English language teaching in Indonesia. The need to learn and use English in communication has put English as the most important foreign language in the worldwide, and not to mention in this country, Indonesia. This day, foreign language programmers tend to start and end at increasingly early stage, not only in Europe, but the same trend is observable on other continents as well. Nikolov 2009, following Nikolov Gonzalez, state the domains in which English is used as international and auxiliary language for intercultural and intercountry and religions communication are mostly those of international diplomacy. The nation of character education following Nusi and Nerves 2008, education may be defined in terms of practice that school and teacher use the influence student learning and development, also children's and adolescent moral development and character. On the other hand, those who emphasize the role of reason and judgment take their philosophical argument from a rationalist ethic with its emphasis on autonomous justification for moral action based on principles of justice, of fairness. Some others definition, as mentioned by Berkowitz and Beer 2005, is number one, character education is a national movement that creates schools that foster ethic, responsible, and caring young people by modeling, instill in students important core value and ethics such as caring, honesty, discipline, responsibility, and respect for self and others. Number two, character education is teaching children about basic human values, including honesty, kindness, generosity, courage, freedom, equality, and respect. Number three, character education is deliberate effort to develop based on core virtues that are good for the individual or a society. Character education is any deliberate approach by which school personnel, often in conjunction with parents and community members, help children and youth become caring, principle, and responsibility. Number four, meanwhile, the Ministry of National Education 2010 state that a person's character or personality is formed as a result of the internalization of noble values that are believe and commonly uses as the basic for their views, ways of thinking, attitude, and behavior. The significance of inserting local culture in English language teaching. Grade and Lee, 2001, proposed four main problems in the intercultural communication concerning the social-cultural aspect of language, namely, first, subjective and objective support of the identity of cultural and linguistic minority student. And then constructing curriculum contents implying and reflecting the positive value of the plurality and cultures and language building communicative action oriented skill and accepting social cultural diversity and the plurality and of ideas as the changing of democracy. Hence, it is commonly agreed that the practice of language teaching, particularly English, will not be carried out without giving explanation of its truth. Methodology data collection technique. First, number one, direct observation in class to observe the implication of local culture in English learning. Number two, in-depth interviews with teacher and principal to explore their view on the importance of local culture in supporting character education. Number three, documentation. Data analysis technique. Number one, type of local cultural content use and strategies for integrating local cultures. Number two, effect on student character education, including values like respect, rest, and cooperative. The participant consisted of 6 English teachers selected through pervasive sampling technique as well as 120 students in grades 7 to 9, teachers who have integrated local cultures in English learning for at least one semester were priorities to make the experience relevant. Most people agree that the practice of teaching English cannot be effective without addressing its culture. Therefore, teaching a language is impossible without teaching its cultures. All individuals evolving in the process of forage language and learning need to anticipate this by having cultural forage cultures and start discussing national explaining forage cultures in their classes. To preserve and appreciate local culture through language education to bridge global communication with local wisdom. Integrating local culture also alike with character education principle as outlined by Licona 1991, which emphasizes moral development through real-life content and reflection. Benefit of integrating local culture. First, contextualized learning. Student learning vocabularies, grammar, and communication skill in context they understand. Number two, character formulation. Local stories, proverbs, custom, and traditional heroes convey moral lesson that shape student character. And then next, cultural pride. Encourage appreciation and pride in student own cultural identity. The last, cross-cultural competence helps students compare their culture with others, fostering tolerance and respect. Implementation strategies. Material development. First, include local folklore, legend, and real-life cultural practice in reading passage. Second, use pictures and video of traditional ceremonies, food, clothes, and dance. Design text like role player or design text like role plays or dialogue based on local context. Teaching activities, group discussing about cultural value found in local stories. Project like introduce your culture in English, comparative analysis of local and foreign custom. Challenges and solution. Lack of culturally relevant ELT material encourage teacher-made materials and community collaboration. Teachers' unfamiliarity with local tradition provide training and workshop involving local culture experts. Blending global and local content combine both to create culturally rich and globally relevant lesson. The conclusion, most people agree that the practice of teaching English cannot be effective without addressing its culture. Therefore, teaching a language is impossible without teaching its cultures. All individuals involved in the process of foreign language and learning need to anticipate this by having cultural foreign cultures and start discussing national explaining foreign cultures in their classes. Enough for me. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.